Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make fresh turmeric ginger tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 piece of crushed turmeric. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Fresh turmeric contains bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. Natural anti-inflammatory compound, helps to prevent cancer and help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this fresh turmeric ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and turmeric has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the fresh turmeric ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try the fresh turmeric ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.